Okay, we're going to try a cold start on the 2003 Tdi TDI. It's minus 19 Celsius, which is about minus 5 Fahrenheit. Saying minus 23, minus 24. I don't think it's quite that cold. But maybe it's getting colder. It is cold. This car's running a little bit of biodiesel right now. This is what biodiesel looks like at this temperature, right? It's solid. It's hard like butter. It's about 20% biodiesel in the tank, I think. The car's been sitting overnight. For our American viewers, it's saying minus 11 Fahrenheit. Like I said, the true temperature, I think, is closer to minus 5 Fahrenheit. But maybe it's getting colder, I don't know. So it's at least minus 5 Fahrenheit, minus 19 or minus 19, 20 Celsius. Now, we'll do one cycle of the glow plugs. That didn't work. The car has 214,000 kilometers on it. All original, no modifications. It's firing a little tiny bit. I'm going to do 2 cycles of the glow plugs. I don't know if these seat heaters run when it's trying to start, but we'll shut all that off anyways. And a second cycle of the glow plugs. I don't know how much that 20% biodiesel is going to factor into this, whether it's causing the fuel to gel, but it's got about 80% winter diesel in it. It's firing a little tiny bit. Okay, let's try 3 cycles of the glow plugs. You can tell me in the comments section below how your TDI starts when it's minus 40 and it's been sitting for a month. Tell me all your stories in the comments below. Long glow cycles. I don't know if she's going to go, boys. Maybe it is minus 25. Like I said, the internet says it's minus 19 Celsius. We'll do 3 cycles of this, and if this doesn't start this time, I'm not going to kill the battery anymore. I'll drive a gas-powered car today. We'll drive a Honda, which will start at minus 40. Let's do one more. All right. I put the pedal to the floor. There's some heat in there, boys. We'll do one more and see what happens. Oh, the oil's a little bit thick too, boys. Decent battery though. Yeah, no oil pressure. I don't think she's gonna go, boys. Whoa, it fired there at the end. Okay, let's do 2 more glow cycles and we'll call it a day. Again, let me know in the comments section below how your TDI starts in -40 in Siberia. With 100% biodiesel. Battery's getting weak. Yeah. Okay, didn't start at -20 or -25 or whatever it is. Could be biodiesel related, I don't know. Could be glow plugs that aren't working great. We'll try this again later, thanks. All right, folks. 2007 Honda Ridgeline. What temperature are we at here? Like -8 Fahrenheit or -22 Celsius. The truck's been sitting overnight. I just tried to start that diesel Volkswagen, didn't go. So if you need to go somewhere when it's really cold, you should drive one of these. We'll see what happens. Our Ridgeline. 2007, this thing's 12 years old right now. 160 some thousand K. Just over 100,000 miles. Just like that, boys. A little low on fuel. But she fired right up. If you want to go somewhere, that's your solution right there.